Hey guys, this is Fundo on Wanchopagam. Coming up next on Skeem Saam Monday, Pretty make a confession that enraged the entire Sekamelo household. Professor make a proposal to claimant that he is bound to change both their lives forever. Tuesday, Pretty is forced to make a firm decision about her unborn child. Professor's wife unleashed hell on him for a life-altering decision he made. Notile goes spontaneous on Lehasa and he like it. Wednesday. Pretty receive a painful slapstick when she tries to reach out to the father of her unborn child. Koloi warns a friend from making decisions while bombarded by the honeymoon phase. This day, meeting his new love parent is blow to Lehasa's self-esteem. Pretty is rendered mute when she learns of her old plans to take a trip with her. Clement's plans to start his new life are off without clutch. Friday, Lehasa denies being the father of Pretty Baby. Someone who knows Clos's wife catches him lunch with his new babe. Two form lovers meet on the street of Teploop. That is for this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.